Almost every member of Congress has to win a competitive election, and the structures of those elections, especially how district lines are drawn, profoundly shape who serves and how they behave. This is one of those topics that sounds technical, but is actually where a huge amount of political power gets decided. Start with the basics. Senate elections are statewide, fixed boundaries that never change. But House elections happen in single member districts that get redrawn every 10 years after the census. And before redistricting comes apportionment, the census driven process determining how the 435 House seats are distributed among the states. States growing faster than average gain seats, slower growing states lose them. After the 2020 census, Texas gained 2 seats and Florida 1, while New York, California, Illinois, Ohio, and Michigan each lost 1, reflecting the long demographic shift from the Northeast and Midwest toward the South and West. Now, the crucial part redistricting. Drawing the new district lines within a state is controlled in most states by the state legislature, which means whichever party controls the state house after a census year has enormous power to shape that state's congressional delegation for the entire next decade, and both parties use this power aggressively wherever they can. That brings us to gerrymandering, drawing district lines to maximize one party's advantage. There are two classic techniques: packing opposition voters into a few districts to waste their votes, and cracking opposition concentrations across many districts where your party holds a safe majority. The term comes from Massachusetts Governor Elbridge Gerry, whose 1812 plan produced a district shaped like a salamander. A few important legal wrinkles: racial gerrymandering. Diluting the voting power of racial minorities was a target of the Voting Rights Act, and the court has held it violates equal protection. But the court has also prohibited drawing districts too explicitly on the basis of race, even when the goal is to help minority representation, leaving a genuinely contested line. And on partisan gerrymandering, the court made a pivotal move in Rucho v. Common Cause in 2019. It held that federal courts have no power to adjudicate partisan gerrymandering claims because they're political questions beyond federal reach. That left partisan gerrymandering entirely to the state-level political process, so a party controlling a state house can draw maximally partisan maps without any federal judicial check. Some state Supreme Courts have intervened under state constitutions, but as of 2026, the 2020 cycle maps remain the subject of intense ongoing litigation.